So guys, for the first method, you want to right click on your taskbar and then click on Task Manager. And then once you run this, you want to go to the Services tab. Now you want to click on the three dots and then click on Open Services. And now this will come up. And then once you run this, you want to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Now you're going to scroll down till you find Windows Search. Double click on it. Make sure they have the startup type on Automatic Delayed Start and then click on Start, which will then make the service status running, and then click on OK. Now you want to right click on Windows Search and then click on Restart. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, you want to come back into Task Manager and then click on Run Your Task. And now right here, we're going to type in Control and then click on OK. And now the control panel is going to open up. Now you want to click on Indexing Options. Now once this comes up, you want to click on Advanced. And now you want to click on Rebuild and then click on OK. And now it's going to start rebuilding the index. Wait for this to load. And then once it's been completed, see if that works for you. And now for the next method, you want to right click on the Windows Start icon and then click on Terminal Admin and then click on Yes. And then once you run this, I'm going to be leaving down below 4 commands in the description. You want to copy and paste all of them one by one. So for the first one is going to be this one right here. You want to highlight it, right click on it and then copy. Now you want to do Control V on your keyboard on PowerShell. So once you're on PowerShell, you want to do Control V on your keyboard and then click on Enter. Now for the second one, we're going to highlight over this, right click, copy, come to PowerShell and then do Control V and then click on Enter. Wait for this to load. And if you see anything red here, it's fine, just ignore it. And then once we get the blinking cursor, we can now do the third one. Copy this, Control C, and then do Control V on your keyboard to paste it and then click on Enter. And then once we get the blinking cursor again, last one, Control C to copy it, Control V to paste it, then click on Enter. And then once you pasted all those 4 commands, you just want to restart your computer, and then this should now fix your problem.